By with a look at business. Big time volatility in the early trade this morning ahead of a speech by the British Prime Minister. Here is Mike.
Yeah, indeed, Kevin. Theresa May is going to talk about Brexit today, specifically the plans for how the UK will exit the Eurozone. It's going to be a hard break, is the talk, that they don't want to be half in or half out. They want to regain control of their borders and give up trade ties with the Eurozone. So this is, as you might expect, leading to some volatility on the British pound. And then you've got what Donald Trump had to say to the Wall Street Journal. In some publication late last night, the journal quoting Trump saying that the U.S. dollar is too strong, and that's hurting trade with China. And that, in fact, is sending the U.S. dollar tumbling this morning, so much so that our Canadian dollar right now is back up to almost 77 cents. U.S. has gained over 0.9% at last check on the currency markets. It has been a long time since we've seen moves of this magnitude, and the inverse to all of this, Kevin, is the fact that the Dow Futures Index is pointing to a drop for the blue chips of more than 100 points at the opening of trade this morning. It was the last time we've seen a drop for the Dow Futures of more than 100 points was dating back to before the U.S. election results last November. General Motors said to be bowing to the Trump administration, incoming Trump administration, regarding investment in the United States. General Motors reportedly going to announce a big investment in its U.S. operations today, maybe $1 billion upgrade to various plants and creating or retaining about 1,000 U.S. jobs. We'd already heard previous talk about this from the likes of Ford and Fiat Chrysler. Of note, General Motors also introducing 17 new models for the China vehicle market over the next few years, and by 2020, Cadillac figures China could be its biggest market. So a huge trade change for one of the world's biggest automakers, looking at China as potentially one of its largest markets in the next few years. Kevin, back to you.